Hey commercial team, I'm making a video to teach you guys how to use styles for your reports. And Mariana's thanking me in the background, and Andy's pumping his fists, so that's a good thing. So I have here a fake document with some text and some paragraph headers and some section headers and a title. And if I wanted to give those things some context, like some different fonts or something for the paragraph headers or a big title, I can just go right like I normally would and change the font size and stuff like that. And I'm going to undo that really quickly. There's a better way to do all of those things, and that's styles, which are up here. So Word, Google Docs, really any word processor comes with styles already on it. One way to access your styles is to go up here to the toolbox and just open them. And you can actually see so right now there aren't any styles employed on any of these words, but I could come up with a new style, or I could use a style. So these are styles in use right here. They have recommended styles. So I'm going to use the recommended styles right now. These are just the default ones in Word. So the title, the header, I'm going to make this header 1. I'm going to make these header 2, header 2, header 2, header 2, and then heading 1 for a new section. So all that's great, except what if I want to change these? Like, what if I don't like how this title works? So I could change it. Like, let's say I don't want Calibri, I want to do Gill Sans, because that's our that's the font we use here, right? So I've changed it to Gill Sans. This actually didn't update yet. You have to update it to match the selection. And now all my other titles, if I had other titles, they would also change. So you can see that when you do it with the section 1 here. So Gill Sans, right? I changed this section 1, and I'm going to make it not bold, right? This other section hasn't changed yet, but it will change if I go click on this arrow and hit update to match the selection. You'll see that that changes. And that becomes really more pronounced when you end up doing it for a bunch of things. So styles are really, really, really useful when you have a bunch of text or a bunch of different instances of things. And I think that maybe, oops, I want to make this Gill Sans light, and I'll make it not teeny tiny font, and I'll make it a little bit more spaced out, and I'll make that normal. So these aren't normal yet, so I have to apply the style to these. See, now this paragraph is normal, this paragraph is normal. So you can apply styles that you've modified to other text. And now I have this document that looks good. Styles. So that's how you use styles in Word. And there's a way to see them, but I forget how to do it. Here it is. So you can click this Show Styles Guide, and it'll show you what elements, what each style applies to which elements. And this can really come in handy if you aren't sure what style something is. And then you can just click that button and it'll show you. So that's how you use styles in Word. And I'm going to make another document that shows you how to use table styles. So look forward to that.